Welcome traders to another video. Today we are talking about the high of the day reversal trade. Guys, for you to start becoming consistent in these markets, you have to know exactly what you are doing. You have to know what you are looking for in the market. Now, this time the window has just ended where I am, but I have taken a trade from oil and I want to go through it. I want to show you exactly how I look for what I am looking for in the market. Now, everything begins by plotting the high of the day, and this is the low of the day. This is the low of the day prior to the New York excuse me. Prior to the New York window opened at 8, and as you can see, this is the high of the day before our window opens. Now, once I plot the high and the low of the day, now I do this in all the pairs or all the instruments that I'm trading, and then I wait for the first 1 hour to set up. The first hour gives me the high and the low of the session. That is now where I can work with. As you can see here, this is my high of the session and this is my low of the session before 9:30. Now I'm doing this in all the instruments to see which one gives me the best trade setup, the one that I am looking for. Remember, even if you are a specialized trader, that instrument will not give you a setup every single day. But as Stacy Buck says, you can always get 50 pips from the market if you know how to spot the red car. So if you know what it is you are looking for in the market, when you browse through your instruments, you will see it form. Now, I am looking at oil, and oil has given me a nice pump up to the, and created a nice 50 pip box, around 75 pips. Yes, around 75 pips of range. So what I do is I wait and see how the next hour reacts, and the next hour, boom, we are up at the high of the day. Now this is the high of the day, and we have already triggered other time frame traders. We've already triggered the stops because this is where the money is. This is where the money is, up here. And once we've triggered this money, then I am looking for my setup. Now, as you can see, this is a pump. What am I waiting for? I'm waiting for an M pattern. And boom, there we have it. We have an M pattern. So the next thing I'm waiting for is a break of structure. And we break structure, as you can see here. We've broken structure. We broke structure. Now we are looking for a retest and the engulfment. Boom, retest and the engulfment at 9:29. I'm in. That is where I'm in. I'm here after this engulfment. I'm in for my 50 pip target. Now, depending on how you view this market, the market came 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, and then this pin. I would have been out after this pin if the spreads could not have triggered me out of my profit target. Could have been out of here. But this was the trade that I took. I'm happy with it. But what I am trying to show you is that once you know your high and the low of the day, the most probable setup will form at the high of the day. Now, if it coincides at the high of the day, high of the session, high of the week, at round numbers or quarterly levels, and you have your confirmation, you know how your setup looks like, you will be licking your lips every time that setup forms. But you have to know exactly what you are looking for in the market. What is your edge? So hopefully, guys, you got value from today's video. Continue doing whatever it is you do. Stay focused, stay disciplined, and may the markets be with you, as Stacy Back says. See you in the next video. If you like this kind of content, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. Let us grow together. See you in the next video.